So we're gonna throw in all the spices. Okay, let's go, Jenny. Okay, ooh. Hi, welcome to the Berkeley Chef. Today I am going to make some roasted spiced cauliflower that is going to make you drool in your mouth. It's absolutely delicious. You can make this as a base for so many things. I can invent with so many inventions with this cauliflower. I love cauliflower. Oh my goodness. Let's see what can I invent with this humble cauliflower. It tastes so bland. It have no flavor. So I'm going to spice up with spices to make it flavorful. We can make a cauliflower pizza. Oh wow, yummy! Imagine cauliflower pizza. Ever think of that? No flowers with it. And we can make cauliflower galati with pie, rusty kind of a pie-shaped galati. Oh, how about cauliflower ice cream? Oh wow, yummy! There are endless possibilities. So I'm going to show you the great way to use your cauliflower. If you don't ever like cauliflower, you will love cauliflower after this. Okay, so this can once you can roast this thing, you can go on your base for quinoa, rice, or millet. So you can roast a bunch of cauliflower, roast a bunch of roots, vegetables like carrots, beets, and anything parsnip. And also you can roast a potato, or you can have full bowls of every goodies. So you can prep this ahead of time on a Sunday weekend. So you can prep this and you can have a food ready in just about 5 minutes, you know, and a weekday. So if you're busy on the go, working, going to school and everything, you don't have time, so you can cook and batch it. So I'm helping you to save lots of times. So when your day's off, you can prep all this thing, and when the weekdays come, bang, everything is ready in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes of your time. Wouldn't you guys love it? Sure, I'm going to teach you how to do it for save time manners, and you will enjoy your day, so you don't feel like when you come home scratching your head, what I'm gonna cook, and oh, it takes so long to cook. So this will help you transition into a short, speedy cooking time, and then you will have time to relax in the evening, or on your computers, or maybe watch TVs, or spend time with your loved one, with your children. Wouldn't you love it? Yes! So I'm going to show you how to do it. This is a base cauliflower, spiced cauliflower. You can do it so many things. So let's get started right now. So we have spices here. We have turmeric, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, coriander, sea salt. So I'm going to drizzle everything on the cauliflower. This is one head of the cauliflower here. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to roast it. Yummy. It's already sound yummy, correct? So we're going to throw in all the spices. Okay, let's go, Jenny. Okay, ooh. It's already smells so nice now. So we're gonna drizzle some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil here. I'm gonna bake it. So turmeric, you need to add black pepper. So black pepper help with the absorption of turmeric. So it's good for it. And turmeric help to fight so many cancer diseases. Good for inflammation, you know. So it's just yummy. Oh boy. I love turmeric. add a little bit of water to soften it. If not, this is okay with olive oil. But I tend to add a little bit of water to it to make all the spices soak up a little bit. It's already smell yummy in here. My goodness. So we're gonna bake this in the oven, and here you go. So we're gonna bake this in the oven around 400 degree about 30 minutes or so, and it's absolutely yummy. So when we come back, we're gonna show you what we bake, and this is such a good base for anything else. You can make a cauliflower pizza out of this. You can use this as a base for so many just eating with a quinoa, with millet, with brown rice, with anything that you want. So many things. Oh my goodness, there's so many endless possibilities. Just imagine, I never used to love cauliflower. Until now, I just love cauliflower. It's so good. You can like create so many things with this humble, bland vegetable, but it turned into a fabulous, like a Cinderella kind of a thing. It can turn into like so many things that you can like think of the creation, what you want to do with this cauliflower. So we're gonna come back, we're gonna show you when the product is done. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and like it and thumbs up and send me a feedback what you think about this cauliflower spice. Maybe this will be the new thing for your whole household. I mean, you know, it's flavorful, it's not bland anymore, I can tell you that. So until next meal. Hi, welcome back, and we roasted the cauliflower. It's fabulous. It smells of all kind of spices, and it's very delicious. And now this is what I did was that the quinoa is in here that was cooked. I roasted some potato, some arugula. So I'm going to put some roasted cauliflower here. You can drizzle some dressing on it, and it's fabulous. So you can prep ahead of time. You can cook this over the weekend, pack it up in a container, okay, portion it out to 2 meals or 3 meals. You can cook the quinoa as well, you know, for the weekend. Roasted the potato, roasted roots vegetable, any kind of vegetable that you want to roast, you roast it and pre ahead of time. So when Monday morning come or Monday lunch mean, the weekdays come, and now you have everything to put together. So quinoa is cooked. So you put some cauliflower, some roasted potato, shred some carrots, cabbage, any kind of fresh veggie you want, sweet pepper, tomato, cucumber, whatever thing that you need at your heart desire. So you put this all together here, the cauliflower, that's what I roasted right now. So it's absolutely tastes delicious. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. So if you want, so here your meal is already ready. You can drizzle some dressing. If not, you just eat it like that. It's absolutely delicious. So until next time, so subscribe on our video, try our recipe. If you need some recipe that you want us to make, and we'll make it. And give us a thumbs up, okay?